there, it's Nat from the Traveling Foxes, and if you're new to my channel, I love sharing adventures and activities and also room tours to inspire the wanderlust within you. So I am currently here for a retreat, just some time to internalize and get some peace and quiet, but I cannot deny how beautiful this resort is, and therefore I've decided that you guys need to see this beautiful resort that I am staying at for this retreat. It's going to be a 4-day retreat and we're going to be here for the whole duration. What I really like about this resort is it's located by the river, so you get the peace and quiet, you get the nature sounds, and it's also still very accessible to the city. So it's not like a retreat up in the mountains where we're completely away from technology, we're completely away from everything familiar. I really like it so far. I haven't explored it yet so much. Thought that I would like to explore the place with you guys. So yeah, we arrived really late last night, but the flight was on time, which was good. And then this morning we had a full-on session of doing some shadow work and some meditation and just some releasing of negative energy that no longer serves us. So this is the month of March, and March means new beginnings. So super excited for this full itinerary of activities. But for this vlog, it's just going to be specifically on the resort tour. Such a beautiful place, and yeah, let's start the vlog right now. So I'm currently in the restaurant because I'm just getting a quick shake. I didn't have time for lunch. I prioritized getting a massage. So this is what the restaurant looks like. It's super beautiful. Got a nice breeze and the sound of nature. It's just pretty amazing. So I'll just have to sign?
Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah.
225.
Thank you so much.
Right. Here are all the workshop materials.
Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you.
Now let me show you the lobby. And guys, I normally walk, but I'm gonna get a buggy because I'm running out of time. I only have like 40 minutes to get ready for a sunset cruise, but you're gonna see the room anyway, and also now the lobby.
Sailing over pavement with our 2 albums. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow.
So I just got myself a smoothie. Had breakfast at 7 a.m. or 7:30 and no lunch. So I'm gonna go straight to dinner. This is just my lunch.
Your villa number is
225.
I just wanna see the same things you can see.
Where did you guys rent that?
What?
Where did you guys rent that? Oh, okay.
Walk with you. Could be 20 minutes or an hour or 2. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk.
So here is room 225, and just across it is the yoga studio. That's where we had some of our sessions earlier. All right, so now let me show you the beautiful villa. So guys, there are 60 villas total in this resort. It's absolutely massive. That's why sometimes it's easier to get a buggy, because it could take some time for you to walk from here all the way back to the reception. So yeah, let me show you the room. As you can see, this place is seriously the best place for a retreat. It's just so calming. You can just chill in your room in the afternoon, have a dip in the pool or the jacuzzi. As you saw from the toilets inside, that it's also very luxurious. And guys, one thing I noticed as well last night, which I can't show you guys, was even if the lights are off and then you want to get out of your bed and go to the toilet, the lights, there are actually lights at the bottom of the bed that light up so that you can walk safely to the toilet. And also in the toilet, when you're there, bottom lights that would light up. So I find it super well thought. It was such a great concept. It's the first time in a luxury hotel that I've experienced this. So I'm hoping in the future other luxury hotels in the Philippines would implement this kind of thought into their offerings, because for me, I was quite, I was actually very impressed. And I do a lot of luxury resort tours, and so far to me, this is one of the top ones I would suggest. And yeah, if you guys are coming, this is an option for you guys. I'll leave the link below if you guys want to book it, check it out. And we haven't even explored most of the resort yet. I am rushing, so I will do my best to include clips from other parts of the resort when I come across it. So yeah, just stay tuned because I will be posting more videos. Once again, thank you guys for watching another video. I do a lot of luxury travel tours. I do a lot of hikes. I also do room tours. So hope you enjoyed this one. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys. Yeah.